Hi students, in last class we discussed the lab activity of the animal behaviors. The scientists Pavlov and Lawrence did the experiment on the cockroaches. Cockroaches they like which type of place? Damp and dark places. So we observed until today there are different types of animals behavior we can see. And today we are going to learn there are some different types of questions they have given in the textbook. Thus we will discuss the questions. I will read around 7-8 questions is there. I will read the questions. So today homework is we have to get the information about these questions. This is the today homework. I will give the simple today homework. So few more than last side some headings is there. We will go to finish the 7th lesson also. We will need to hurry by. So page number 100 from the textbook. Page number 100 from the textbook. There are some around 8 questions is there. So it is our responsibility to write the questions and answers. We have to find out the answers because scientists they spend so much money, their time, their talent, their investigation on the animals to identify the behaviors. Some scientists they will spend so many hours to take the picture of the animals because some animals are extinct, they are no more. Some are endangered, so they have to capture. They have to take care about that. They will observe all the parts and how they are moving, how they are behaving, how they are crying, how they are laughing, how they are showing their communication to the other animals. Like so many examples is there. I will read some questions here. In the first question it talks about our pet dog. Our pet so many students, I think you may have pet dog in your home. Our pet dog barks only on strangers. If you train your dog not to enter your kitchen, does it ever enter in the kitchen or not? If you train your dog does not to enter in the kitchens, does the dog listen in your what you are saying, how you are training to the dogs? So I will say one thing about this dog. Dog have a very high intensity of hearing. High intensity of hearing. Decibels, we can call it decibels. The more than dog, the bat have a more decibels, around 1 lakh decibels they can hear. But our decibels is we can hear from 20 to 80 decibels only, not more than. If it is not more than 80 decibels, we cannot hear. It's not possible. But bat can hear around 1 lakh decibels also. ఎక్కడో భూకంపం జరిగితే ఫస్ట్ బ్యాట్ తెలుస్తుంది, సెకండ్ డాగ్ తెలుస్తుంది. That's why sometimes in the midnight dog will start at barking. Whoa! We don't know this reason. Even they hear the small sound, their ear is very sharp. They can find out the robbers, thief, if any dangerous is there happening. They can hear they started barking. So that they are very powerful. ఎక్కడో భూకంపం జరిగితే ఫస్ట్ డాగ్ తెలుస్తుంది, బ్యాట్ తెలుస్తుంది, మనిషి కూడా తెలుస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు భూకంపం వచ్చి ఇల్లు అన్ని పడిపోయి అందరు చచ్చిపోయిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది. Okay, the first question is dog, our pet dog barks only on strangers. Why? If you train your dog not to enter in your kitchen, does it ever enter in the kitchen or not? Second question it talks about ants. Second question talks about ants. Ants which usually go in a line reach a sweet kept in the tin. I think in last class I told you, or in 8th class, I don't know. So ants will find out where is the sugar is present. We don't know how do they find out. and reach the, how do they know where to reach the tip? Just it's a general questions, you have to Google it, search the answer. If it is there in our workbook, it is okay. Then you have to search it and you have to write all the questions and answers. How they will know there is a sugar in the tin. Third question. Third question talks about mosquito. Mosquitoes cockroaches come out of their places only when it is dark. Only when it is dark. If you wake up in the midnight, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, come and look at in your kitchen, you can see the plenty of cockroaches. They will roam and they will enjoy. While everybody is sleeping, they start enjoying in the kitchens. Cockroaches come out of their places only when it is dark. How do they know the difference between light and dark? This is the answer you have to find out. Next one, fourth question talks about bats. Just now I told you about this bats. Bats and all move and search for a food only during day. No, only during night. Such type of animals are called as nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals. Nowadays, we are going to see the nocturnal human beings also. They will work in the night. Software people's nocturnal animals. So the nocturnal animals. Bats and all move and search for food only during night. How do they know what is day and what is the night? How bat will move? They can't see their eyes. They do not have a sight. But how they will move from one place to the other place, it is very, very interesting to find out about the bats. Next, fifth question. When you untie the neck of your full time of ploughing, it moves toward the ploughing without any instructions. In the same way, it moves towards the tub at the time of feeding. How does the bull respond differently? Have you saw the bullock carts with their ploughing? They will go in the line. Even the farmer, they will not beat the animals. They will go in the line. How they will know whether they are trained or not? You have to give the answers. Next questions. Bullock carts. Sixth question, it talks about the bird. Bird collect materials which is soft and strong to build its nest. How do they know the quality of the materials? Have you saw the nest of the birds? I think in last class I explained about the nest of the birds. It's beautiful, it's prepared by the beautiful. Even the floods came, plenty of rains came. So the water drops cannot enter into the nest of the birds. How they know? Next, seventh question. Puppies. Puppies are kittens. Fight with each other when they see the piece of cloth. When they see the piece of cloth, they try to tear it off. Why? Have you seen this? If you didn't, you can Google it. These two puppies, they will fight for the small cloth. They will enjoy. Next, the last one question. In a particular season, some birds in our surrounding migrate from a long distance. How do they know their way? Migration. Bird migration. In some particular season, rainy seasons, in winter season, like Siberia crane, they will migrate. It will migrate from Russia to India, like Krishna district, West Godavari, Kolleru Lake. Why they will migrate? What is the reason? You have to find out these 8 questions and answers. You have to Google it. You can use internet because you are using mobile phones. So you have to find out this all different types of questions. So if you have more questions also, you can add it and write the answers. This is the today homework. Okay. In next class we will finish